So we're going to review the different types of angles that we're going to see this year. So the first type that I'm going to talk about is corresponding angles. So corresponding angles make up an F pattern. So as you can see in this diagram here, if I was looking for an F pattern, there's different ones that you can find. So I'm going to show you the basic one. So you can see that that makes up an F pattern. So in this, we're talking about these two angles, or the two angles on top, are called corresponding angles. It means that they're congruent. So that means that this angle and this angle here are congruent angles. The next one we're going to talk about is alternate interior angles. Or the Z pattern. So the basic Z pattern I'm going to show you here is this one right there. And that means that the interior angles here are going to be the same. So this angle here and this angle here are congruent. At the same time with the Z pattern, there's something called alternate exterior angles. And so that's where it's on the outside of the parallel lines. So interior is the inside angles, exterior would be the outside angles. So this angle here and this angle here are congruent. The next one we're going to talk about is vertically opposite angles. So angles that occur when two lines intersect, so the ones across from each other, are also congruent. For this diagram right here, we're going to talk about the straight line, so something called supplementary angles. Add to 180 degrees. So if this is 50, this would be 130. And to show my work, the next one is down here. We have a right angle. This is called complementary angles. And they add to 90 degrees. So I would go 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, which gives me 60 degrees. And last but not least, as a reminder, all angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. So if I wanted to find the missing angle here, then I'd go 180, subtract 70 degrees, and subtract your 50 degrees, and you end up getting 60 degrees. Those are the types of angles that we're looking for. So we're looking for up here, basically ones that are congruent, and these are the different types of angles we'll see when dealing with triangles.